Good morning, class. It is officially April. Today's Wednesday, April 1st. And I hope you guys are all having a nice week. And I hope you guys are ready for today's lesson. Monday, you guys had two videos to watch, if you remember the introduction to Chapter 3. And I also gave you the Fossil Rock Anthem, which I personally love that video. It's so catchy. Yesterday, you had very light work. About the pile of coats. And I want just to remind you guys that what we are reflecting on is which layers in a rocky outcrop are the oldest, or which ones had formed first. Okay, so this is Hunstanton Cliff. There's the upper layer and the lower layer. You can see there that the lower layer is very orange and very different from the upper layer. We made claims about which layer in this rocky outcrop is older. Let's think more about the evidence we could use to support our claims. So, the two claims are that the lower layer is the oldest, okay? Or that the upper layer is the oldest. Those are the only two possible claims, but we need to think about evidence, okay? Moving forward. Let's just move right on ahead. Okay. So our two claims are, one, the upper rock layer is older, this one here, and two, the lower rock layer is older. Which claim is better supported by evidence, and why do you think so? Think about the videos that you watched, and also think about the pile of coats, okay? It's very, very similar to rock layers. When they came to the party, the coats were all piled up on top of each other. Okay, so some of you answered correctly and you said that Jake must have come to the party first because his coat was on the bottom. And then, as people started to come later, they started to throw their coat on top of his, making his coat the oldest coat at the party. Okay, now, how can geologists tell what order rock layers formed in? Now, today, you guys are going to be using a new modeling tool. That is right. Not the sim, but a modeling tool. I'm going to explain how to go through it right now. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. As you know, making models is an important scientific practice. We'll be doing an activity with this modeling tool. Scientists use models to learn about things or to show things that are not easily shown in real life. So as you can see here, in your model, you got 4 different kinds of rocks, and then you have this area right here where you can kind of layer them up. All right. Here is the worksheet that you guys have. As you can see, the directions are here. Read the scenarios below. Using the modeling tool, take turns creating a model of what the rocky outcrop would look like for each scenario. Okay, you don't really have to take turns because it's just you, unless you want to take turns with your parents. That's great. After you create all of the models, complete the sentences at the bottom of the page. So this is all you guys are doing today. So here's your 4 scenarios that I would really like you guys to try. And then here is what you'll be answering. Where are you answering this? In the private comment section of this assignment. Okay, same like the agriculture assignment. You guys need to go into the assignment and then send Miss Dunn a private comment, and in that section you will be filling in these blank. All right, so to find the modeling tool, it is on Amplify student apps page, as you know, and it is the blue number 2. You're going to create your models and you're going to complete these sentences in the private comment section. How did you arrange rock layers for one of the scenarios and why? Here is our key concept. New rock layers form on top of existing rock layers. Therefore, lower rock layers are older than the layers above them. This makes sense, right? It's like a cake. We don't build the cake from the top to the bottom. We build it from the bottom up, one layer at a time. We will continue to investigate how rock layers can help us determine the order of past environments in Desert Rocks National Park. That is the end of today's lesson. I hope you guys enjoy the new modeling tool, and I really hope you guys synthesize new information. Thank you very much. I will see you all, or I will speak to you all tomorrow.